one of the most important offerings that our customers might not be aware of is the team workshops. This is where an ABM consultant goes on site with the client and works with them on one specific pillar of the team framework. So it could be target, engage, activate, or measure. And the real goal of these workshops is to get everyone in the ABM program in the same room and on the same page so that we're able to help drive that organizational alignment that's so critical to ABM success. During these workshops, we go through a combination of best practices and concepts. We also spend most of our time really focusing on how to apply those concepts. So we'll talk through exactly what it is to, for example, drive meaningful engagement in our Engage workshop. And then we go through a session where we specifically go through and inventory your content, see what you already have available, and map that against the account segments that you really want to focus on. So we're able to help you tactically put together a full campaign framework during that particular workshop. I think a core competitive advantage of the team workshops is that the strategies that we talk about during the workshops, the things that we focus on, these are all the same things that Terminus itself is doing. So we're really practicing what we preach, and we really have a lot of experience in this that we can communicate with customers and help them avoid pitfalls and gaps along the way.